Is Atticus Publishing a legitimate company? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many aspiring authors navigating the often murky waters of the publishing world. In an industry rife with opportunities, but also riddled with scams and misleading services, discerning genuine partners from predatory ones is crucial. So, let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of what Atticus Publishing is all about, examining its operations, services, author experiences, and ultimately, its legitimacy. First, it's important to clarify something. There appear to be two distinct entities that might cause confusion. There's Atticus, often referred to as Atticus.io, which is a popular book writing and formatting software. Then there's Atticus Publishing, which presents itself as a full-service publishing company. This video focuses on Atticus Publishing, the company offering publishing services to authors. Atticus Publishing, as a company, positions itself as a partner for independent authors, aiming to bring the craftsmanship of traditional publishing to self-published works. They offer a range of services designed to help authors transform their manuscripts into published books. These services typically include manuscript evaluation, various levels of editing, copy editing, advanced editing, custom cover design, illustration services, and distribution. One of the key aspects they highlight is their DFY, Do It For You, route for distribution, where their team assists authors in setting up necessary registrations with platforms like Ingram or Amazon, ensuring authors retain 100% of their royalties directly. They also offer a supported publishing route for those who prefer Atticus Publishing to handle the publishing process under their imprint for a yearly fee, while still allowing authors to receive 100% of royalties net of sales. This emphasis on author control and direct royalty payments is often seen as a positive sign in the self-publishing landscape. So, on the surface, their offerings seem comprehensive and author-centric. But what about their reputation and actual author experiences? Atticus Publishing is a BBB-accredited business with an A rating from the Better Business Bureau. This accreditation indicates that the company has committed to upholding BBB standards for trust, which include building trust, advertising honestly, telling the truth, being transparent, honoring promises, being responsive, safeguarding privacy, and embodying integrity. Their BBB profile also shows they've been accredited since March 22, 2023, and have been in business for 3 years. This level of transparency and accreditation with a reputable organization like the BBB is a strong indicator of legitimacy. Furthermore, Atticus Publishing states that they are a proud member of the Alliance of Independent Authors, ALI. ALI is a professional organization that vets and recommends services for independent authors. Membership in ALI, especially for a service provider, suggests a commitment to ethical practices and high standards within the self-publishing industry. This is another significant point in their favor. However, no company is without its challenges, especially in an industry that unfortunately attracts its fair share of scammers. Atticus Publishing itself has issued warnings about scammers impersonating their company. These scammers use tactics like making over-the-top promises, e.g., Hollywood movie deals, features in prestigious magazines, charging exorbitant upfront fees without delivering, and using high-pressure tactics. Atticus Publishing advises authors to always verify communication by calling their official toll-free number, contacting their assigned representatives directly, or emailing their official address. They also caution against unrealistic promises and requests for upfront payments from unknown callers. This proactive approach in warning authors about imposters further suggests a commitment to protecting their clients and maintaining their reputation. When we look at author testimonials and reviews, a general picture of satisfaction emerges. Many authors commend Atticus Publishing for their supportive team, professional editing, and effective marketing strategies. They often highlight the company's commitment to helping authors succeed and their genuine investment in bringing authors' visions to life. Phrases like incredible team, valuable advice, trustworthy business, and exceptional marketing strategies frequently appear in positive reviews. Of course, like any service, individual experiences can vary. Some authors might find certain processes challenging or have specific expectations that differ from the standard offerings. However, the overall sentiment, supported by their BBB rating and ALI membership, points towards a legitimate and reputable company. It's important for any author considering Atticus Publishing or any publishing service to do their due diligence. This includes thoroughly understanding their service packages. What exactly is included in each tier? What are the deliverables and timelines? Reading the contract carefully. Ensure you understand the terms, fees, and what rights you retain as the author. Asking questions. Don't hesitate to clarify anything you're unsure about with their representatives. Checking multiple review sources. While BBB and Ally are good starting points, also look for independent author reviews on platforms like Goodreads, author forums, and personal blogs. Pay attention to consistent themes, both positive and negative. Being wary of unrealistic promises. If an offer sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Legitimate companies focus on professional services, not guarantees of overnight fame and fortune. In conclusion, based on the available information, including their BBB accreditation, Ally membership, transparent services, and authors' feedback, Atticus Publishing appears to be a legitimate company that offers a range of publishing services to independent authors. They seem to be committed to supporting authors through the publishing process while ensuring they retain their rights and royalties. However, the cautionary tale about scammers impersonating them serves as a crucial reminder for all authors to remain vigilant and always verify any communication directly with the company through their official channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.